Hi everybody, welcome to the recap video of week 5 of Stats220 Online. In this past week, we looked at modules concerning the collection of data and experimental design. So what I thought I'd do in this short video is go over the hand-in problems from this previous week. So the first hand-in problem was, I'll just read it out quickly. On a large campus, first-year students and sophomores live in dorms located on the eastern part of the campus, and juniors and seniors live in dorms located on the western part of the campus. Suppose you want to collect student opinions on a new housing structure the college administration is proposing, and you want to make sure your survey equally represents opinions from students from all years. So what type of study is this? Well, this is an observational study, since no treatments are imposed on the students. The second part is, suggest a sampling strategy carrying out this study. Well, a stratified strategy is appropriate here. So stratification means that we break up the population into subgroups. So here we would break up the population into subgroups, and we might have first-year students here, second-year students here, third-year students here, and fourth-year students here. And then we would take a random sample from here. So random sample from here, and a random sample from here, and a random sample from here, and a random sample from here. Where in each of these random samples, so for example, in first-year students, each first-year student would have an equal probability of being picked. In second-year students, each second-year student would have a equal probability of being picked, and so on. Now let's move on to the next question. In the next question, it's a study evaluating the relationship between stress and muscle cramps. Half the subjects are randomly assigned to be exposed to increased stress by being placed into an elevator that falls rapidly and stops abruptly, and the other half are left at no or baseline stress. So what type of study is this? This is an experiment, since we're imposing treatments on the subjects. Can this study be used to conclude a causal relationship between increased stress and muscle cramps? Well, let's take a look at the study design. So the study design is basically we have a subject like this, and then they're randomized, so they're randomly assigned to one of the two groups, either the elevator group, draw an elevator here that falls rapidly, or just the normal baseline no stress group. So here they're lying down on a bed. And then after they're assigned to the groups, there's a measurement taken about the amount of stress or muscle cramps and stress muscle cramps. And these two groups here, so this group, let's call this one over here, let's call it group A, and this one, let's call it group B. The difference between groups A and group B, they should be almost identical because subjects were randomly assigned to the two groups, except for one was exposed to the being in the falling elevator that stops abruptly, and one was not exposed to that. So can you conclude that if there's a difference between let's say the amount of stress or muscle cramps, can you conclude that there's a causal relationship between being exposed to increased stress and muscle cramps? And then the answer is yes, because basically the two groups should be the same, except for the fact that one was exposed to this falling elevator and one was not exposed to the falling elevator. So that's it for today. We'll see you next week online. Bye-bye.